His Holiness is one of the greatest spiritual leaders of our times. One of the spiritual leaders who has been talking about creating a secular ethics and value system that needs to be communicated to the students, which is based on logic, on modern science and common sense rather than on religion. That is precisely what our attempt has been with Delhi government. So we thought there could be no better guest than His Holiness to actually launch this happiness curriculum.
So this new government, in the last 2-3 years, they have taken initiatives for including this happiness curriculum, of which the final result we are seeing in today's function. And I am very much hopeful and very excited. I hope to look forward to, our children's generation or our grandchildren's generation living happily, although we could not do it till our generation.
I will be taking home one most important thing, which His Holiness said, that to be happy you have to be satisfied, and to be satisfied you have to train your mind, which he's been doing and practicing all the time. And the second thing which he said, which of course I am taking home for myself, my family and for my students, is to go through various writings of the great people who have time and again proved themselves to be most happy, contented and the great leaders in the world.
So his part about thoughtfully reflecting, thinking and acknowledging that the teacher's role is paramount and the teacher's training is one big thing which we need to aim at, has provided a lot of respect, a lot of feeling of goodness and connect amongst the teacher fraternity. And this, I think, has had an immense impact upon the way this curriculum has been launched, and he's touched our hearts in ways more than one.
We see His Holiness to be the right person to launch this, potentially because of the one reason that the kind of presence that he has, and he himself is the ambassador for happiness in the world. So that is the much needed facet to launch the curriculum. Hence, we feel it is the right stage and the right person to launch this, something that has never been done in the world before. It is one of a kind where 45 minutes on a daily basis have been dedicated by a city solely in all of the schools running at a mass scale from class nursery to 8th. This sort of thing has never happened anywhere in the world. So catering to emotional intelligence on such a large scale is unheard of. And His Holiness is the right person to launch this himself. Thank you so much.
And we've been working in the Happiness Committee for the past 2-3 months, developing the curriculum. It's really an honor for His Holiness the Dalai Lama to come and appreciate what we're doing, and also we find a lot of synergies in what he thinks is the way to live and what we're trying to create over here. And we're really, really grateful for the fact that he believes that what we're doing is essential for education right now, and especially for our children in Delhi. Thank you.